the full tutorial on this makeup look on my channel. Make sure to swipe up and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Favorites video, I'm really trying to get it edited and uploaded for you guys tonight. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my monthly favorites video for you guys. I said that I was going to try to do these every month, but as you guys know, that failed miserably. So today I'm going to be doing my March favorites because I have a ton of favorites I want to share with you guys. If you guys are new here to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell button so you never miss an upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps me out so much and it pushes my videos out to more people who may enjoy my content as well. So enough talking, let's jump right into the favorites. So the first product I want to mention is Native Deodorant. Now today's video is sponsored by Native Deodorant, and as you guys know, anytime I do a sponsored video or mention a product in my video, it is something that I do truly enjoy and believe in. I always make sure to try out the products before I feature them on my channel. I'm not the type of person who just gets a product and just mentions it on my channel, and this product, since I've been looking for a really good natural deodorant for the longest time, I tried this for a couple weeks, and I also had my boyfriend try it for a couple weeks because he's all about natural deodorant as well. And I recently stopped using natural deodorant because I just needed my self-esteem back. As some of you guys may know, if you have ever tried to use natural deodorants, is that the natural deodorant struggle is very, very real. You either find a natural deodorant and it works for a couple hours, but then it doesn't last all day, or you have like this weird white residue underneath your armpits. I'm all about natural deodorant because it's a lot healthier for you. The aluminum in deodorant, there's been so many studies done that shows that aluminum underneath your arms is very, very bad for you. And just do your research. It's worth a look into it if you're thinking about switching into natural deodorant. All of Native deodorants are paraben and aluminum free. Native deodorant works so well. My personal favorite is the coconut flavor. It's coconut vanilla to be specific. This deodorant lasts all day. I've worn this all day. I've worked out with it and I still smell good at the end of the day, which is so rare for a natural deodorant, and my boyfriend did the same thing. He's been wearing it all week, all throughout the workday, and he is like obsessed. He's like, I'm going to buy this deodorant for the rest of my life. He loves it. He has already stolen a bunch of my minis, and I had to steal this back from him because the coconut vanilla scent is the best. If you guys are looking for a natural deodorant that actually works, you need to try Native Deodorant. They have so many different scents to choose from, and if you are not a scent person, they actually have a unscented version. Smells like absolutely nothing. If you are looking for a good all-natural deodorant that's going to keep you fresh all day long, definitely check out Native Deodorant. They are amazing. Now moving on to a foundation that I have been loving, and this won't be no shock to you. It is a drugstore foundation, and it is the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation, and I am in the shade 320 Honey. This stuff is amazing. This, I would say, is a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Very similar consistencies, super dry, super matte. If you are oily, if you are looking for a good summer foundation, obviously we're changing seasons. Going into summer, this would be the perfect foundation for you. It is a true matte foundation. Like a lot of foundations I feel like lately have been saying that they're matte, but they're more of like what I would say a natural finish, which there's nothing wrong with that if that's what you're into, but if you are looking for a truly matte foundation that's not going to crease, that's going to last all day, that has amazing coverage, and is affordable, then definitely check out the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. This stuff is amazing. Like, I was so impressed by this, and I have not been able to find a lot of really good quality drugstore products lately. I know there are a lot out there, but lately a lot of them have been failing me, and this one did not. It is the best drugstore foundation I have tried. You guys should definitely pick it up. If you are oily combination, you're looking for something that's going to stay in place all day and not budge, this is it. Definitely check it out. The next product I want to talk about is the Clarisonic. This is in the lavender color. I have been obsessed with this. I have tried out a couple different brush heads. This is dirty because I just used this in the shower. It's actually still wet, like if you can see it. I bought a Clarisonic, like I want to say 3 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago now. And it was like when I first started my channel, I bought a Clarisonic and I was super excited about it because I had been having a lot of skin issues, and I just, in my mind, I thought that the Clarisonic was going to fix all of my skin issues. It was going to be the end all be all. Like, I remember Jaclyn Hill was all about the Clarisonic back in the day. And I was like, I'm getting the Clarisonic. It's going to solve all my skin issues. And it didn't. And I think that I put the Clarisonic on such a high pedestal that when it didn't make me acne free and make me look like a Victoria's Secret model, I was like really irritated. So I stopped using it. And then recently I was sent a Clarisonic and I was like, you know what? I've been using my Vanity Planet Spin Brush forever and I really should give this a try, another try, and see if I like it. And I really do. I have been using this every single day. I love that I can take this in the shower and it's not going to break. I can not submerge this in water. Like, I'm not going to drop it in the bathtub, but I can keep this in the shower and it's waterproof. So I love that because I always wash my face in the shower. I love that it's gentle on the skin. It's not going to fully strip my skin or anything like that. It just really deep cleans my skin, gives me a nice, like, bright appearance, and it really gets all of my makeup off. When I go to tone my face after using my Clarisonic, I don't have any makeup residue left on the cotton pad after I use this. So I've been really, really loving this, and it comes with so many different attachments. I also have the makeup attachment. If you guys would like to see a video of me using the makeup attachment for the Clarisonic, let me know. But I have the makeup attachment, and this one is the radiant attachment. I've really been liking the radiant attachment. I was using the just the standard one that comes with the Clarisonic when you buy it, and I had been using that for about a month, and then I ended up switching to this one, and I really like the Radiance one. I really like the original one as well. They have so many different options for different skin types. If you have, you know, you want a deep clean, they have a brush for you. If you have big pores, they have a brush for you. If you have you're acne prone, anything like that, they have a brush head for you. But keep in mind, when you do buy Clarisonic, you do have to change these out, I believe, every 3 months. And that's just to, you know, make sure you have a fresh brush, make sure it's not harboring bacteria. It's just a really good idea to switch these brush heads out every once in a while. But I have been really, really loving this. I honestly use this every single time I remove my makeup. It is just amazing. I'm really happy that I rediscovered it. The next product I want to talk about is something that, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen me talk about over and over and over again. And it is the SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense Serum. I cannot say enough good things about this serum. Honestly, this serum is amazing. It is expensive. I was a dummy and picked this up by the top, and I didn't screw it on all the way, and it fell into the sink, and I thought I was going to, like, physically, I thought I was gonna die. I luckily saved it in time where too much didn't drip out, but I was like, literally, that's money flushing down the drain. What have I done? This is formulated to visibly reduce the size and intensity of discoloration while improving clarity for a brighter, more even toned complexion. It says apply twice daily, apply 3 to 5 drops to the face. For morning use, follow with a broad spectrum SPF 50+ sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product. Now, I use this product morning and night, and I always make sure to use a sunscreen after using this product. You really want to take that seriously. Like, when a product says that you need to wear sunscreen after applying it, you wear a sunscreen. Not to mention, if you have dark spots, going out in the sun without sunscreen is just going to make them worse. And you wear an SPF 50 with this because you can damage your skin. But this stuff has faded my dark spots like no other product has. I have been wearing this for a couple months now, and I am obsessed. This helps fade my dark spots so fast. I was shocked by how fast it helped fade my dark spots. Like, people were like, I went to Starbucks the other day and some girl was like, what do you use on your skin? I wasn't wearing any makeup. She was like, your skin looks amazing. It's glowy. Like, she's like, what are you using? And I was like, SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. Like, and then I will wake up and look in the mirror and I will be like, wow, my skin looks glowing. My skin looks so even and radiant. Like, my dark spots look visibly lighter after using this for a couple weeks. It's just amazing. Like, you guys know I'm always on the hunt for good dark spot lightening products, and this would have to be one of my favorites. Like, I will constantly repurchase this. I think it's like $95. It is pretty pricey, but if you are serious about fading your dark spots, definitely look into this. The next product I'm going to talk about is from Juice Beauty. You guys know I love Juice Beauty, and it is the Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser. Juice Beauty was kind enough to send me their whole Green Apple line, and this stood out to me. I have been using this just about every day, and I just love how light it is. It doesn't foam up on my skin, so I don't have to worry about it stripping my skin of its natural oils. It just feels amazing. It does a really good job at cleansing my skin, and it smells really good. And I love that Juice Beauty is all natural. Their quality standards are always high. Their products are always formulated with organic ingredients. It's amazing. It's a real treat washing my face with this. I love it. It does an amazing job. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is another moisturizer, and this is the Roche Posay. This is the Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. Now, I have been having, I don't know if this is TMI, but my nipples have been really dry. I don't know if it's the change of season, but I have been using, it's honestly probably because I have eczema on my nipples. I have eczema all over my face. This is why this product stood out to me. I always get eczema in the change of seasons. When I'm stressed, I will get eczema in the summer a lot. I usually get it on my forehead and I get it on my chest. And apparently I get it on my nipple now too. So I picked this up, and this does a really, really good job of really hydrating your skin and not leaving your skin feeling oily, which I love, and it got rid of my nipple dryness. Like, it really did. So that's why I think that it was eczema. I've had eczema my whole life. I get it randomly, usually, like I said, on my chest and on my face, but never on my nipple. But this stuff really helped with my nipple dryness and just overall body dryness and dry patches. It's a really, really good product. I love La Roche-Posay products. Works really, really well. If you are looking for something that is really going to moisturize the skin, then definitely pick this up. You can get it at Target. Now, the next product I want to talk about is a palette, and it is the Morphe palette. This is the 9B palette. I will link up above a video where I use this palette. It is just so pretty. I did this last time too. It's just so pretty. I love this big mirror. I use this all the time, whether I'm using this palette or not. I just love these colors. They're so pigmented. I always forget about how pigmented Morphe shadows are. Like, you will look at this palette and think, oh, like these colors look amazing, but when you swatch it, like I'm gonna swatch Now Boarding, like it is just so pretty. Like, all of their shades are so pigmented, so creamy. Like, a lot of people talk like, as you guys know, I suck at swatching. I'm the Kim Kardashian of hand swatches. As you can see, like, these colors are just butter, like literal butter. They glide on the eyes so nicely. They blend out so well. They look so pigmented and bright and just like, they're amazing. I really like these new Morphe palettes. These are right up my alley because I love the big Morphe palettes, but I'm not going to travel with a full-size Morphe palette. I think it's amazing. It's a great value to get a large Morphe palette with all those eyeshadows in there, but this is more me. This I can travel with. This has all of the shades that I need to do a smoky look, a natural look, everything right in a simple palette. This is perfect. I love these new palettes. I have been gravitating towards this palette every time I do my makeup. I just love it. Now, the next thing I want to talk about are these Eyeslure? I would assume it would be Eyeslure because it's on your eyes. These are the Wispy Multi-Pack Lashes in 117. My best friend told me about these lashes. She was like, girl, you need to get these lashes. They're amazing. She's like, because she came over to my house the other day and was wearing false lashes, and I was like, what lashes are you wearing and why have you not told me about them? Like, why are you keeping these secrets from me? are we even friends? And she was like, no, they're the EYELURE Wispy 117s. I'm obsessed with them. You need to get them. And I bought them and I love them. They feel so natural and light on the eyes, which I love my Queen Bee lashes, but I could never wear those all day. I don't know how people wear them all day because they're just so like thick and heavy, but they look gorgeous on the eyes, don't get me wrong, but these are so light, perfect for every day. Like if you're a type of girl who's like ballsy enough to wear false eyelashes to work, more power to you. I'm not judging. I think that's amazing. Then these would be the perfect everyday eyelashes for you. Or if you're looking to go to a day event, like something that's going to last all day and you want to wear falsies all day that aren't going to bother your eyes, then definitely get these. They feel so natural on your eyes. I forget that I have them on my eyes every time I'm wearing them. They just work so well. And as you can see, I reuse them. That's why this one's way over here. There were 3 pairs in there, but I used them like 3 to 5 times and they last and they look amazing. I highly, highly recommend these. Now, the last thing I want to mention is not makeup related at all. It's actually a phone case and it is my Loopy Case. This case has been the best phone case I've ever had. My boyfriend's sister actually got it for me as an early birthday present. She heard me talk about how much I loved her Loopy Case and she got me one, which I thought was so sweet. And this case is amazing. I never drop my phone. I used to be like, oh, pop sockets. Like I would never get a pop socket. I just wasn't into the pop sockets. Like it was a good idea and I was like, oh, that'd be good, but I don't think that that would work well for me. Whereas this Loopy Case works so well. It's great for taking selfies. It's great for just talking. If I need to go somewhere, I just flip it over and I hold my coffee when I'm walking into work. It's amazing. I'll have my coffee, my keys, and my phone all in one hand. I love holding a bunch of things in one hand. I always have my hands full, and this is just so easy. I never drop my phone. I never have to worry about it. It's always right there, and it's just really easy to use. Anytime I'm texting, I don't have to rest my phone on my pinky like I used to always do. Now I just hold it and it just stays up and it's just super easy. It's really light on my hands. I don't feel like I have any strain on my hands, which is nice. And I'm a serial phone dropper. Like I have dropped this phone more times than I can count. And I never drop it anymore. Like it is very rare for me to drop my phone. Like I took this out when I was at an event and I was like holding a beer and then I was holding my phone in my hand. And the guy was like, you're just holding your phone like that? Aren't you nervous? And I'm like, no, it's a Loopy Case. Like it's the best thing, like the best thing. If you were looking for a good phone case, you need to get a Loopy Case. Like it has changed my life. I will never go back. I will never go back to a regular case, and they have really durable cases. If you are like a serial dropper like me, these are very sturdy cases and you don't have to worry about your phone shattering if you do ever break it. And this band is very, very sturdy. So definitely check out Loopy Cases. They are da bomb. And those are all of my favorites for the month of March. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss a new upload. And follow me on Instagram. I love interacting with you guys on Instagram stories. I'm always taking polls and posting on there, and I'm always posting on Instagram, so definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with me between videos. I will have all of the links for my social channels down in the description box for you guys. Leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys. You see the sun right there? It's getting closer to me, so I have to end this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.